Hello students, let's start the next point of the 100 dresses in points. Now she wanted to meet Wanda. She made up her mind to go to her house and tell her that she has won the prize. Now Maddie wanted to meet Wanda to tell her that she had win the contest, and Maddie had ready to go to house of Wanda in the Boggin Heights. And when the school was over, Peggy and Maddie went to Boggin Heights. And after the school, Maddie and Peggy went to the Boggin Heights to meet Wanda because they felt bad towards Wanda. Both the girls found her house, but they could not meet her as they had already left the place. Maggie and Peggy had found the house of Wanda. After reaching on, they found the house locked. Any person of Wanda's family was not present there, but Peggy and Maddie wanted to meet her, but their wish did not complete because Wanda's family had gone to leave the house. Peggy tried to defend her behavior, but Maddie is not satisfied. Peggy tried to understand about Wanda's behavior and said that Wanda had not said any problem to us, but Maddie was not satisfied to Peggy's things. On Saturday, both Peggy and Maddie wrote a letter to Wanda telling her she had won the contest. And now Peggy and Maddie both decided to write a letter to Wanda on Monday because they wanted to tell her that you are the winner of drawing competition. And in next days passed, but there were no answer from Wanda. But a day has passed and there was not come any reply of Wanda. It was Christmas time when Miss Mason received a letter from Wanda. Wanda had written a letter that the girls could keep those 100 dresses because in her new house she had 100 new ones. But suddenly on the Christmas day, Miss Mason received a letter from Wanda. In that letter, Wanda had written that the girls of her class could be kept those 100 dresses which she prepared for the competition. She gifted to her all classmates girls because in her new house she had other 100 new dresses in the house, and she has gifted a special drawing to Peggy and Maddie. Wanda had gifted her many special drawings for Paddy and Maggie. Maddie found that the face in the drawing looked like her. When Maddie watched all the dresses drawing of Wanda attentively, then she noticed that in the drawings was looking her face. She went to Peggy's house and saw her drawing too. After watching, she made up her mind to go to her house and tell her that found that the face and head of the drawing looked like their face and head also. After watching her face in Wanda's drawing, Maddie went to the house of Peggy and to see her face in other drawing of Wanda. Now Maddie was excited to go Wanda's house and wanted to tell her that which drawing had made by Wanda. In it, the face and head looked like same us. Peggy consoled herself by saying that Wanda really liked them. Maddie agreed and blinked away the tears that came every time she thought of Wanda's Petronsky. But Peggy satisfied to herself by saying that in reality, Wanda is like us. She is a common girl. She is no different and she never felt badly. It was only fun jokes which she never took serious. And and Maddie agreed, but the tears has come in her eyes and she always thought about Wanda Petronsky. Okay, student, this chapter is completed now. Okay.